Good Friday, the 3rd of December, 2021. Thanks so much for clicking play, checking out the weather with me today, folks. I appreciate it a lot. My name is Jewel, and this is the Weather Channel of J7409. Now, you can see the timestamp down below, folks. What's going on? We got heavy snow and some snowstorm warnings up. The watches and warnings are up over on the community page. Click Show More below the video. Click the first link you come to. You can read all about them. Now, heavy snow should impact portions of the northern plains and upper Midwest by tomorrow morning, Saturday morning. You guys, some of you can get some, maybe a half a foot, maybe a little more. You need to check those watches and warnings out and stay safe. While the warmth, everybody, is going to continue from the southeast to the southern plains today with above average temperatures linked throughout much of the nation for the entire weekend. Now, the high yesterday was recorded in Rio Grande Village, Texas. They had a high of 90. But oh boy, on the flip side of the coin, over in Angel Fire, New Mexico, the low was 6 degrees. So you can see what's going on. I've got this up. This is the European model. It's pretty accurate going with what's going on now. You can see the snow is going to be pushing right on through Sunday with some freezing rain in parts. Lots of rain going on down around the island areas for my island friends. And up in Canada, for my Canada friends, you see the snow as it is beginning to push on through, as we have another system that's going to probably midday or mid-afternoon Monday, northwest parts of Oregon. Oregon's going to get a little mixed precipitation, wet snow and rain, and also over in Idaho and portion of Wyoming. As we look at the front map with everything going on, this is for today through tomorrow around 7 a.m. But after that, I'm telling you, I'm going to show you, the snow's going to push through. And most of your watches and warnings are up for this weekend for the snow. We do have some snow. It's not going to be too heavy at this time in Washington State for today through this time period going over into Montana and South Dakota. Now, what we have going on over here in Minnesota, Wisconsin, Michigan, Chicago, down to Ohio, over into some of Pennsylvania, that's going to be mixed precipitation. We're going to look at the GFS map in a moment, and it's going to show all of this. But this is what it's looking like for today through tomorrow morning around 7 a.m. But then things are going to change. As you can see, for tomorrow around 7 a.m. or just a little after, through Sunday morning, you can see how the snow is going to move on across. Now, the heavier snow looks like North Dakota, but there is some good snow probabilities with inches falling in Minnesota, Wisconsin, and northern Michigan also. Lighter snow from portions of Maine going down through Vermont, New Hampshire, and northern New York. We got some rain coming in here around Dallas and Texas, moving all the way across up into Tennessee. And what we got going on over here? Well, we have mixed precipitation. Now, this is going to cause some icing, freezing rain in Montana, North Dakota, and another system's going to pull down through. What's happened? The jet stream is going to change. So all of you folks up in these areas, you're going to see a big drop in the temperature coming up by tomorrow at some point. Please stay warm and please stay safe. Now let's break down the GFS map. Now this is the long extended map. And the reason I'm using this morning, everybody over here in California, you've been staying pretty warm. Well, that's not going to last. Enjoy it, okay? Because coming up about middle of the month, maybe a little before the middle of the month, you guys are going to get cold and you guys are going to get snow. Now check it out as it moves through. You see all of the warmth going on with the red dotted lines, blue dotted lines, cold weather coming in as we move it across here. you're going to see what I'm talking about. And for those of you who follow me, you can see the snow now is coming on across, just like the European model said. So it's pretty certain, especially in these guys' areas of North and South Dakota, Montana, Upper Michigan, Minnesota, you're going to get some snow. Please, once again, check out the watches and warnings. While everybody else is staying nice and warm, by Monday the freezing rain's going to start because this system's going to try to push up a little bit. You know what happens when that does occur? We start getting freezing rain instead of snow, and I've showed you guys this all along. Now, by the time Monday around the 12Z run comes up, looking like we got lots of rain, and the good Lord knows we need it over in these areas as dry as everything is with the fires going on. But we still have some lingering snow up in portions of Wisconsin, northern Michigan, a little bit of Minnesota, moving on up into Canada, as you can see. But then we have another system pushing into the northwest. Now, as we move along in time, it's going to bring some more snow, as you can see. But this snow, it looks like it's a little bit lighter. Some of the snow this weekend, you could get a half a foot. You might get a little more. You might get a little less. All depends on where you are, of course. But you need to prepare for it. And we see more rain coming up. But as we move on through, what's going to happen? Well, it's going to start to get cold as the jet stream starts to drop again. Now, we're still warm over on the East Coast for the most part till we get up to at least Vermont, New Hampshire, Maine, and northern New York. Everybody else up here, you're going to stay in the deep freeze for a while, so make sure you're prepared for it. Now, look at what happens in California. See how these blue dots are moving on down? Well, that's cold air, my friends. Very, very cold air. And it's going to start bringing snow. It warms back up on the roller coaster, as you can see. That happens every time. We have a warm up, we have snow. In places it gets cold. But this is around the 13th of December, as you see the timestamp. And you see right in here, still warm down in here, but it's going to start to get colder in, I'd say, mid. Look, we even got snow up here. Now, this is the mountainous areas for the most part, but that's going to change. As you can see, the snow is going to dip down a little bit farther. We do have some warm trying to mix in with it, bringing some rain around the 13th for you guys. But look at that. Pure cold. Pure cold for all of you guys here. So, here's a shout out to Sister Golden Hair. By the 13th, say the 14th, you might have some snow, and it may get a lot colder. You might get a little rain. We got to wait and see. It's a little far out. We got to wait and see if all of this comes together in the future days, as it looks like it will right now. But this is a quick check of your weather right now. I want to say thank you to those of you who have ordered your J7409 Weather News hoodies. Folks, these things are warm. I have one. They're made very, very well. I know money's tight. I'm in the same boat with everybody else. They're $38.99, but I have got it now where you can make 4 payments of $9.75. So, this is warm. Where it's cold, it's going to get cold everywhere before the winter's over. If you want this as a Christmas gift or just for yourself to stay warm in, that's why I got mine. Make sure to click show more. The link for this will be down below it. You'll see it. Click it. Check it out. If you want it, great. If you decide you don't, that's okay too. I'm not trying to push it on you, but it is a very warm hoodie. Thanks so much for watching, my friends. I appreciate it so very much. Please don't forget to share this information with your friends, your family, and on your social media, especially if you're where the snow is going to be coming up for the snow event over the weekend, possibly into the first of next week. Help me to help people safe and aware of what might be coming their way. I thank you for doing that. And I thank you for everything you do for me. I love you all. If you haven't subscribed and you're new to the channel and you're into all kinds of weather content, Please consider subscribing. Click the J7409 weather insignia in the bottom right-hand corner. Click that bell and check off all to make sure that you get all my latest weather videos. Have a good day, a safe day, and a blessed day, and a wonderful weekend. Stay safe in every way, my friends. Peace, love, and kindness to all.